Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use templates on CapCut. So just going to open your CapCut apps and tap on templates in the bottom. So there are many videos template appears. So just select you want, or you can also tap on search bar, just type the keyword you want to looking for the template. So just select this one. For instance, just click this template, allow, and select videos or photos that you want to edit. So for instance, just tap on preview, and here we go. Just click play button for the result. So you can also click export button in the top right corner. So that's how to use template on CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. And if you find it useful, don't forget to click thanks button for appreciate. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.